Hello everyone. When it comes to SEO optimization, there are a lot of ways that can drive in a multitude of traffic for your campaign or even can provide a brand amplification for your personal brand. So there is Web 2.0 submissions, there are blog submissions, there are article submissions, there are citations, there are NAPs building, and there is a much more. Even if I continue to speak, there is 1001 ways to drive traffic, and also there is 101 way of optimizing a particular strategy for yielding the best possible traffic and the maximum exposure towards the search visibility. So today in this episode we will be discussing Quora. In short, how Quora, which is the famous question and answer website, can help with the SEO campaign. And with us today we have Subhajit, the senior analyst at Thatware, and he would be sharing some of his proven techniques which is proven to provide some good amount of traffic and also good amount of SEO benefits for a particular campaign.
So those of you who already know Quora, you know that Quora is a question answer site. So if you are looking for content, Quora is basically a place where you can get nuanced answers, unlike Google, Yahoo, or even Wikipedia. Like if you're even looking for open-ended questions, you want answers from real writers, Quora is your place. Now, Quora is great for content marketing. For SEO, I would say that it's absolutely a gold mine for SEO people, especially for new websites and for SEO startups. So how does it actually work? So first of all, what are the benefits of using Quora in SEO? Let's discuss about that. So Quora can be used for keyword research, for backlink building, and also to find link opportunities. And if you want to invest in influencer marketing, Quora is a great place to find great influencers and writers in the internet. So let's talk about these one by one. Keyword research. I personally have actually found a great way to do keyword research through Quora to find those particular search terms that are getting a high amount of traffic. What you actually do is you go into Quora, you actually create a Quora ads account. So how I actually do that? You create a Quora ads account. You don't even have to punch your credit card. It will straight away take into your ads account. You go to the ad group settings, and in the ad group setting, ad groups option, you just start typing some seed keywords. So first of all, what is seed keywords? Seed keywords are topics on which your niche is based. So start typing some random topics on which you want to rank your content, and you will start seeing suggestions from Quora. And not only you do see the suggestions or the questions, you actually see the amount of views exactly that they're getting on Quora. I think that is a really great feature in Quora, or I would say the Quora ads account, for which you can leverage for to get more keyword opportunities and to find more questions. Next, we move on to link building. So how to find good link building opportunities from Quora. Basically, what you have to do is you go to the top pages report in Ahrefs, and from there you go to the best by links report. So what happens that from the best by links report, you get a list of all the questions which has a higher number of referring domains. Now, this is actually a gold mine for backlink builders, because if someone is linking to a Quora answer, it makes sense to make a content on your website and pitch that person to link to your answer instead of a Quora listing. That actually makes sense, and you can use the skyscraper technique to build much more valuable links through this technique. Now let's go to the third step, that is to find more link-worthy content. In content marketing, we often sometimes don't able to understand what type of content to post on the website and what type of content does attract more links. You can do that through Quora. How to do that? So you go to again you post to Quora, you use the include and exclude search operators to niche down on your particular type of keywords or search queries that you want to enter. Then you go to the best by links report. By there you will find that these are the questions or the topics which are generating more links from the internet. People are linking to them, which means they are link worthy. What you have to do is very simple. You take a list of them and you reverse engineer the topics to include them in your content strategy. Now the last part comes the influencer marketing part. So if you have developed some traffic in your website, you are in the mid stages of in your SEO growth, and you want to invest on some influencers or writers to post content on your website, Quora is a great place to find more writers. So basically what you do is you enter into a specific space in Quora. You can find it in Quora spaces, and you go to the most viewed writers tab. In the most viewed writers tab, you can find a list of writers in your particular niche, which you can then separately reach out to and ask them to post like either guest blog to your page, or maybe share your own content like in their specific channels. So yeah, that's how. So these are the 4 techniques we have used personally in Datware and other like projects as well. And I tell you, if you really don't have, if you really don't want to invest much in SEO, I would say Quora is a really good way to get free traffic for your website. Thank you.
So we had a wonderful explanation from Subhajit on how Quora can be used for getting the maximum visibility and traffic for a particular campaign. So one key takeaway is that anyone who is not willing to invest much in acquiring traffic, or anyone who wants fast traffic, or anyone who wants even SEO optimization plus the benefits of traffic, for those Quora is the answer, because Quora is the solution, because this is the platform which can give you the holistic solution catering to the needs of both acquisition of your organic traffic and also towards the fulfillment of your SEO journey. Thanks for watching.